First off, look at how cool that green color is. Secondly, let's talk about comfort. Look, hey guys, you know what sucks? Spending the day working in the shop out here or out in the yard doing yard work and listening to the droning sound of whatever equipment you're using, or even worse, wearing cheap ear protection and still hearing that droning sound and being bored to death. And at the end of the day, you can end up like me, wearing hearing aids, which isn't so fun. Actually, I love my hearing aids, but I would rather not have to wear them. So this is an answer to obviously try to resolve that situation. So these are the Prohear 033, which aren't your normal ear protection mugs. They're upgraded to Bluetooth 5.3. They also have AM, FM built into it, and it's all packaged into something that's going to protect your hearing at the same time. So you can enjoy your time while you're working, either listening to the radio, listening to Bluetooth, and keeping yourself out of the hearing aid market. They come with a built-in 20,000 milliamp hour battery. Let me show you right there. It's completely rechargeable, and I actually spent an entire day out front using the power washer, streaming that Bluetooth, listening to some podcasts that I wanted to catch up on, and I didn't even run it out during the course of the entire day. First off, look at how cool that green color is. Secondly, let's talk about comfort. Look, without smashing that button into the top of my head, I hate that. But in case you're curious, look at how soft and cushioned this is if you're not wearing a hat. Really cool, obviously completely adjustable. It linked up to my Bluetooth instantly, and actually, just so you know, what Bluetooth 5.3 means to you is you're going to get a better quality signal, which means you don't have to be locked into your phone in your pocket. You can kind of leave it off in the distance. You're still going to get a clear signal. So that's a real big plus. And I do actually prefer the big physical knob. It makes it much easier when you have gloves on or stuff. You want to change the volume. It's much easier to work with than trying to do the buttons. Overall, I don't think you can possibly go wrong with this. This is such a great idea. You can protect your hearing, do your work, still enjoy what you're doing, and look cool, all with this one set of hearing protection. If you should want one of these or 10 of these for your entire crew, there is a link right there on the screen. If that's not functioning where you're watching, down in the description is that link. Helps the channel out, doesn't cost you anything extra. While you're down there, do me a favor, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more reviews of cool stuff like this, and throw in the comments, how are you going to use them? Maybe you have a unique way to use them. I used to race cars professionally. Would have killed to have this while I was tuning the engines in the garage. Would have been a good idea instead of the hearing aids. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.